Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Kia K900 Luxury. Honestly, it really doesn't even look like a Kia. This is up on Bentley levels, Rolls-Royce levels of luxury for a lot less money. This one here, stickers at $65,395. This is the VIP package, the black interior package. Check this out. Like, are you kidding me? Heated and cooled rear seats. Just, oh man. Ambient lighting all throughout. Around the speaker surrounds. Coat hanger, nice suede headliner. Like, come on. I have not been in something so luxurious. Wait for this. And you can't hear a thing from the outside world. I'm whispering and you guys can still hear me. It's that crazily good. Nice sunroof. Your different drive modes do change your display. Here in Eco, it's more sport focused. Your bolsters relax. Custom, obviously you can design it however you want. Comfort is your default mode. And then sport. When you hit sport, your side seat bolsters inflate. And it gets ready for fun. Speaking of sport, let's talk about the performance of the K900. This is fitted with the same powertrain that's found in your Stinger GT. That includes a 3.3-liter twin-turbo 6-cylinder, producing 365 horsepower. That is more than enough for this car, and it really packs a punch. As stated before, the level of luxury in these cars is second to none. I mean, I am talking Bentley, Audi A8L, like full-on luxury cars. And this, honestly, in my opinion, is a little bit better. Especially for 65 grand. Like, seriously, are you kidding? How can you beat that? Took a wrong turn, so I'm going to double on back. You can see when you turn on the turn signal, it puts on a camera so you can see your blind spot, and that obviously works for both sides. You do have paddle shifters behind the wheel that you can use to manually swap the gear ratios. But in all honesty, this automatic is so good that I feel no need to have to manually adjust the gearing. Ride, absolutely phenomenal. Suspension feels super sorted. Once auto start stop engages, I mean, there is nothing like it. Here's your key, obviously very resemblant to the Stinger key. I do feel like the leather has been kind of refined on the key fob. It does feel a little bit more luxurious. Now keep in mind, the Stinger is an absolutely fantastic car. Very, very luxurious. This is only like 10, 15 grand more than a fully loaded Stinger. Like, keep that in your mind. Where a Stinger competes with like your base A7, this just blows it away. Like, come on. It's just sensational. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.